Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us a leave request application that I built for organizations. So this is the home page, the landing page of the application. So how it works is this: immediately you come to the home page of the application, it already figures out who you are, if you're an employee or an employer. So an employee only comes here when he or she wants to request for leave. And if I wasn't the employee, I won't be able to see this button. I'll just see a button for employers or the manager of the application. So let me try to log in. Let's run the application and let me try to log in as an employee that I am. Let's say I'm an employee of this organization. By the way, I built this using Power Apps and SharePoint. Yeah, SharePoint list. So let me log in as an employee. So I I have deleted all of the information from my data source SharePoint. So let me try to create a new leave request. I'm gonna say summer gets together with my family, and it's just gonna be vacation detail. I just wanna have fun. Just wanna fun. I just wanna have fun. Although it's no longer summer, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. 27th to 30th of September, and let me try to just submit my leave request. So you see, I just got an information that my leave request has been successfully submitted. So let me go to the home screen. So as you can see now, I got this pending. It's pending. So let me try to log in as an employer to approve the request that one of my employees just made. So before I do that, I would have to go to my SharePoint users list and change my role to approval from employee. So I am currently an employee, so that's why I'm not able to see the employers button. But if I change this now to approval, I would be able to. So I am an approver now. I am the employer now. So if I just refresh this button, you can see I can't see that employee button anymore, because my role as I have just changed my role to approval. So I'm going to try to log in as an approval, and I'm going to get every leave request every of my employee have requested for. So now I can decide to approve a leave request or reject a leave request. But in this case, let me approve this leave request. Approve. So leave request was approved successfully. So I can go to the home page now and still log in. I'll log in again, but as you can see, I have no current leave request from my employees. So this place only shows data when when there is an actual leave request by my employees. So if I log back in as an employee, if I log back in as an employee, I'm going to see in my dashboard that my boss or my employer has approved my leave request. So let me go back to my SharePoint list and change my role again to employee. So I just changed my role to employee, and I'm going to refresh. You can see it smells that I am an employee, not an employer. So that was why the employers or approvers button just disappeared. And I'm going to also show us the logic I used for it. So you can see my leave request has been approved. Now I can go to my summer get together with my friends and families on the 27th to 30th of September, as you can see here. So this is I've got no leave request that has been declined yet. That's why this place is empty, and I only have approved. So now let me make another leave request. Let me make another leave request for December, and I'm going to log in as an employer, and I'm going to decline the request, and we are going to see. Okay, I think December is winter, right? Yeah, it is winter break. So no, let me see. I want to go see my daughter. Must leave type. Okay, sick. My daughter. Let's say my daughter is sick, and doctor said I have to be with her for at least 1 week. So because of that, I would have to, my leave starts from the 1st of October till the 8th of October, because I want to go spend time with my daughter that's sick. So I can just submit my request now. I just submitted my request. I just submitted my request. You can see that this request is pending. So now I'm going to go back to my SharePoint list and change my role to approver. I just changed my role to approver, and I'm going to come back here and refresh this. I changed my role to approver. Because of that, I can't see the employees button anymore, because I am now the employer of this organization. So I can just log in as the approver or employee, and when I see this, maybe I feel like this employee of mine is lying or whatever, I can decide to just reject their leave request. Leave request was successfully rejected. I can go back to my home screen now, and if I log in now, I won't see anything there. But if I have other employees in my organization, I would see all their leave requests. So if I go back now and change this role to employee, then, and I come back here and just refresh this page. Let me refresh again. Okay, it now senses that I am an employee. So you can see this was declined. If I come here now, I am going to see that this leave request of mine was declined by my boss or the HR or manager or whoever is in charge of um, leave requests. So this is just what this is just what I have built, and I think I've explained what I built this with. I used SharePoint as my data source, and I used Power Apps for the UI of this. Yeah, this is just it. This is just it. And please, if you would, I'm going to drop the code, the source code in the description. So if you also want to um take it and maybe learn one or two from what I have done, it's highly welcomed by me. And if you think there's something I can, okay, I'm also going to post a video. I'm going to integrate Power Automate into this application, so that when an employee requests for a leave request, the manager or HR gets notified, and they also get notified that their leave request has been uploaded. So when their leave request is approved or declined, they will get notified. I am going to add that. So thank you guys. Thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to bring in a lot of more intelligent and mind shifting projects like this. Thank you.